On dates and times, you can also delete certain times from certain days. So what I'm going to do on here is do the date range from tomorrow until the 31st. Say you want to delete the 10 and 11 o'clock time slot. I'm going to click delete selection. It's going to delete all those times except for the one I have for July 25th at 10 because I have a reservation on that day. So what I'm going to do instead is make it unavailable or sold out. I'm going to select 10 a.m., come over here under sell status. We have 2 unavailable colors just so if you guys wanted to color coordinate them for orange for weather and gray for staffing, you're able to do that. And then you can also make it sold out, which will also close off that time for people to book. What I'm going to do is do that and hit save. Over here on the right, we also have online notes. So if you guys want to write a note for people to see whenever they're booking, that's where you're able to do so. Private notes are going to be for your eyes only, so if you want to leave a message for staff or anything like that, you're able to do so there. Max tickets, this is where you can increase or decrease the number of tickets that you guys want to sell. Rate adjustment percentage, if you guys wanted to increase or decrease the price for certain times, you are able to do that. For this example, I'm going to do minus 10%. I'm going to select 8 a.m. and I'm going to do an online note that says early bird. After that, I'm going to click on save. Now, whenever I go to my booking link and go to that day, whenever I click on get available times, you can see that the price is 10% less and there is that public note on there that says early bird. On the 9 a.m. time slot, this is what it's going to look like whenever you make a time unavailable. And then at 11 o'clock, this is what it's going to look like if you make a time sold out. So as you can see, it's going to say sold out, not enough tickets available. If we go back in here, the last thing to go over is tickets to meet threshold. This will only show up if you guys have thresholds set up on your company events. This is where you're going to be able to change the number on there.